What is the largest integer less than 5000 that has a remainder of 5 when divided by 7, a remainder of 10 when divided by 11, and a remainder of 10 when divided by 13? What is the largest integer less than 5000 that has a remainder of 5 when divided by 7, a remainder of 10 when divided by 11, and a remainder of 10 when divided by 13? We have to find out the largest integer less than 5000 which satisfies the three conditions. Now if you observe remainder of 10 when divided by 11 and the same remainder when divided by 13, that makes our job a little bit easy to find out the number. So let's go ahead and first write down based on the conditions what we can say about this number. Let us say our number is x. So from the first condition, can I say that x equals to remainder of 5 when divided by 7. So I can say x equals to 7 into q1 plus 5. That means my number will leave a remainder of 5 when divided by 7. Second scenario, x is equals to divided by 11. So 11 into, we don't know the quotient, let us say q2, and it will leave a remainder of 10. In the third condition, x leaves a remainder of 10 when divided by 13. So can I write down x equals to 13 into q3 plus 10. Now take these two and observe what's happening here. From these two conditions, what we are getting is that x minus 10 is equals to 11 into q2. X minus 10 is equals to 13 into q3. Now x minus 10 is a multiple of 11 and x minus 10 is also a multiple of 13. So can I go ahead and say x minus 10 is a multiple of both 13 and 11 multiply with some natural number p? Or can I say that x equals to 143p plus 10? Now I have to substitute values for p in such a way that the remainder will be 5 when divided by 7. Yes, x equals to 143p plus 10 will already take care of these two scenarios. Now only the first scenario we have to take care. So we understood our number x is a multiple of 143 and leaves a remainder of 10 when divided by 143. X equals to 143p plus 10. Let us take different values for p and see what happens. P equals to 1, p equals to 2, p equals to 3. In the first scenario, x value is 153. Now when you can be written as 7 into 21 plus 6. Now the remainder is not 5, so that number is not correct. Take p equals to 2. Our number is 296. 143 into 2 plus 10, which can be written as 7 into 42 plus 2. Again the remainder is not 5. We want remainder as 5. Let us take x equals to p equals to 3. Then x will be 143 into 3 plus 10, which is equals to 439. Now this can be written as 7 into 62 plus 5. Now this is where we got our remainder 5. So the least number which satisfies all the three conditions is 439, but that is not what we want. We want the largest integer less than 5000. That means we have to find out the number like 439 which satisfies all the three conditions. So can we go ahead and write down x equals to 143 into 3 plus 10 plus some value m. Now what should be this value of m in such a way that all the three conditions are satisfied? Now when we divide by 7 for 439, we are getting a remainder of 5. Now whatever the number I am going to add, it should not leave any remainder when divided by 7. Then only this remainder 5 will be intact. That means my number m should be a multiple of 11, 13 and 7, or can I say 143 into 7. So let's write it down. So x equals to 143 into 3 plus 10 plus m is 11 into 13, because we know it should be a multiple of 143, and if you don't want to leave any remainder when divided by 7, then it should be multiple of 7 also, and that we need to multiply with some number, let us say a, where a is a natural number. That means my x will be 439, which is equals to this, plus 11 into 13 into 7, that is 1001, into a, where a is a natural number. Now we have to substitute different values for a starting from 1, and we have to check when the number will become more than 5000. Then we will stop and we will take the largest integer less than 5000. Let us take different values for a. Let us say a equals to 1, a equals to 2, a equals to 3, a equals to 4. When a equals to 1, our answer is 439 plus 1001, which is equals to 1440. Now that number doesn't seem to be the largest integer, so we'll move to the next one. When I substitute a equals to 2, x equals to 2002 plus 439, that is 2441. When I substitute a equals to 3, x equals to 3003 plus 439, that is 3442. When I substitute a equals to 4, x equals to 439 plus 1001 multiply with 4, which is equals to 4004 plus 439, which is equals to 4443. Now if I substitute a equals to 5, the number will be crossing 5000. So the largest integer less than 5000, which has a remainder of 5 when divided by 7, a remainder of 10 when divided by 11, and a remainder of 10 when divided by 13, is 4443. Now let's have a recap what we have done in this problem. We have been asked to find out the largest integer which is less than 5000, that leaves a remainder of 5 when divided by 7, a remainder of 10 when divided by 11, and a remainder of 10 when divided by 13. So we have used the formula dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, also Euclid's division lemma, which says a equals to b into q plus r, where the remainder is between 0 and b. Now, so we can write down the integer whatever we want as x and say x equals to 7q1 plus 5, x equals to 11q2 plus 10, and x equals to 13q3 plus 10. Now the last two conditions are suggesting that x minus 10 is a multiple of 11 and 13 both. So that means my x should be of the form 143 into some number plus 10. Now we substituted different values for p, and we are able to understand that the smallest number which satisfies these conditions is 439. Now 439 leaves a remainder of 5 and also leaves remainder of 5 when divided by 7. It also leaves a remainder of 10 when divided by 11 and 13 respectively. So our number should be 439 plus whatever the number we are going to add. We know it should be a multiple of 143. Not only that, it should be multiple of 7 also, because the remainder we want to keep it as 5 only when divided by 7. That means the number should be divisible by 7 completely. So which means that our number is 439 plus 11 into 13 into 7 into some natural number a. We took different values for a starting from 1, and all these numbers satisfy the three conditions, but we want largest integer less than 5000. So when we take a equals to 4, we got the number as 4443.